Looking for a simple, all-in-one natural remedy? Meet castor oil, an age-old remedy used for centuries. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil nourishes your scalp, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff. Massage a few drops into your scalp for healthier, shinier hair. Dry skin, fine lines? Castor oil's fatty acids deeply hydrate, soften skin, and reduce signs of aging. Apply a drop at night for a natural glow. With antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil speeds up wound healing, reduces infections, and even eases joint pain. Struggling with digestion? Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative, flushing out toxins and improving gut health. One oil, countless benefits. Castor oil is your go-to for hair, skin, and more. Subscribe to HPFY for quick health tips. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon.